This is Caleb and Pop. Caleb? Hello? Hello? Making cute faces. You're such a handsome baby. What's with the lip? What are you doing with your lip? You're sticking it out all the way. When did he last sleep?
He slept a little bit while I was taking my shower, so I guess from about 12 to 1. He ate at 12, so it's